How to perform referencing in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. So first, open Word. In Word, at the top, simply click on References. After you click on References at the top, you will find all these options pop up. Click on Insert Citation. After you've clicked on Insert Citation, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you'll find all these options. Click on Add New Source. After you've clicked on Add New Source, it will open this page. Here, select Type of Source, then Author. After Author, you can add title, journal name, year, and pages. Press on OK. After you've pressed on OK, you'll find the referencing point here. And you can now click on Insert Caption and then click on the reference citation you added earlier in all the words. And this is how to perform referencing in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.